So start by bringing about 1 liter of water and 12 grams of salt to boil. Put 15 grams of all-purpose flour into a small bowl and add 45 milliliters of cold water. Whisk until it becomes a creamy mixture. Then add it slowly into the boiling water while whisking continuously. Once the starchy water returns to a boil, turn off the heat. Cut the bacon into strips. Put the bacon into a cold pan and turn on a medium heat. As the pan heats up, the bacon fat will render out as the bacon starts to caramelize. I like to cut my bunch of asparagus into 5 cm spears, but you can leave it whole if you like. When the fat has rendered and the bacon caramelized, add the asparagus, a few cracks of black pepper, and saute for about a minute. Meanwhile, crack an egg into a bowl and add about 30 grams of finely grated Pecorino Romano. Give it a good mix. When the asparagus start to cook, they turn into a more intense bright green. Turn off the heat and add a ladle of the hot starchy water. The water will stop the frying, and only when the sizzling stops, we can then add our egg mixture. Then toss and keep tossing until the whole thing emulsifies. The creaminess will come from the emulsification of the starchy water, the fat and the egg. Finish it with freshly cracked black pepper and grated Pecorino Romano. And watch this video over here for another episode from the Spring Asparagus series. Till next time folks, cheers!